state of Telangana has an ancient history, rich traditional culture along with natural beauty of thick forests and beautiful lakes. The Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, is committed to all-round development and prosperity. In this endeavor, he is being ably supported by the Minister of Road, Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari. This is a red-letter day in the history of the state as we witness the dedication to nation and foundation stone laying of 14 ambitious projects of 766 kilometers at a total cost of rupees 13,169 crores. 6 projects being dedicated to the nation are: 4-laning of 99-kilometer long Yadgiri-Warangal section of NH 163 costing rupees 1,890 crore. This will be connecting 2 larger smart cities and industrial corridors of Hyderabad and Warangal in Telangana state. It will also boost tourism by giving faster connectivity to 1,000-pillar temple and 4th city of Warangal. 73-kilometer long 2-lane with paved shoulder project on Maniguda-Ravalapalli section of NH 163 at a cost of rupees 359 crore. Widening and strengthening of 2-lane to 2-lane with paved shoulder of 35-kilometer long stretch on NH 163 in Warangal at a cost of rupees 230 crore. Widening and strengthening to 2-lane with paved shoulder of 34-kilometer long stretch on NH 353C costing rupees 206 crore. Rehabilitation and upgradation to 2-lane with paved shoulder of Hyderabad Outer Ring Road ORR to Medak on NH 765D. This stretch is 63-kilometer long and bears the cost of rupees 427 crore. Rehabilitation and upgradation of 67-kilometer long stretch on Nakarekal to Thanamcherla section amounting to rupees 605 crore. 8 projects whose foundation stone is being laid are: 4-laning of 40-kilometer long Kandi Ramsanpalle section of NH 161 costing rupees 1,305 crore. 4-laning of 47-kilometer long Ramsanpalle Mangalore section of NH 161 costing rupees 1,551 crore. 4-laning of 49-kilometer long Mangalore Telangana Maharashtra border section of NH 161 costing rupees 1,248 crore. 4-laning of 53-kilometer long Repalewada Telangana Maharashtra border section of NH 363 costing rupees 1,227 crore. 4-laning of 42-kilometer long Mancherial Repalewada section of NH 363 costing rupees 1,556 crore. 4-laning of 59-kilometer long Suryapet Khammam section of NH 365BB costing rupees 2,054 crore. Widening to 2-lane PS of 21-kilometer long from Kanakapur to Khanapur section of NH 61 costing rupees 142 crore. Rehabilitation and upgradation to 2-lane with paved shoulder and 4-laning of 85-kilometer long Nakarekal to Nagarjuna Sagar section of NH 565 costing rupees 370 crore. These projects will make commuting fast, save fuel, reduce road accidents and give boost to employment, increase industrial productivity and help agriculture and transport sectors by decreasing the downtime due to better intra and interstate road connectivity. This will usher the state of Telangana to new trajectory of development and prosperity.